Today, we are going to learn how to make this morphing dot animation, going from an American flag to a country shape and into a title reveal, perfect for your channel intros, podcasts, or even a midpoint in a documentary. You can download the fully editable template from my Patreon. Let's get straight into the tutorial. Open Canva and create a new design. I'm using a 16:9 video crop, but you can try this edit out in whatever dimensions suit your project. First, let's place the background texture on the canvas. Open the Photos library and search for crumbled white paper texture. Find this one and place it on the edge of the canvas so it snaps into the background position. Next, search for a map of the country in question. In this case, it will be a map of the United States of America. Enlarge the map to the full size of the canvas and then lock it into position like so. Now zoom in so we can work on the micro circles. Press C on your keyboard to create your first circle. Resize it like so, then hold Alt to duplicate it and create a full line across the flag image. You may need to make some adjustments at this point to ensure you can fit 2 lines on the red stripe. This will obviously vary depending on the country flag you are using, but it's important to get this right at this stage. Once all the dots are in place, you can go line by line and update the color so it matches the base flag. Next, duplicate the page, open the Elements tab, and search for an outline map of the country we're designing. Place it over the dots, then select all layers and resize them so they're smaller on the canvas, making sure everything stays centered. Now, place the map behind all the dots and slowly go around the edges, deleting any dots that don't cover the landmass of the country. Duplicate the page once, and then duplicate it one more time. On the last duplication, select all layers and increase the size so we can only see 2 visible lines on the canvas. This will vary depending on the country flag in question, but something along these lines works well for a title reveal. Delete the background image. Duplicate the scene again. From here, we need to add an exit animation to the dots. Select all dots on the top half of the canvas and apply a baseline animation, making sure On Exit is selected and the direction is set to up. Now select the bottom half of the dots and give them the same animation, but this time set the direction to down. Now that the scenes are designed, open the transition between Scene 1 and Scene 2 and apply a match and move transition. Choose a duration that suits your project. I found 2 seconds to be the sweet spot. Next, go to pages 3 and 4 and add another match and move transition here. Let's review what we have so far. So you may have noticed that what you've just seen is slightly different to what was displayed on the intro. That is because I forgot to mention that when you make this duplicate, you need to group all the dots together. That will allow the whole map to resize instead of the dot being formed. I do think this second version also has its place, so the choice is yours anyway. At this point, you'll probably notice the composition starting to lag. This is due to the huge number of elements on each page, along with the morphing animations. To make this easier to work with, export the composition in 4K and re-upload it into a new video design. Now you can crop out any extended pauses by moving the cursor to the section you want, pressing S on your keyboard to split the scene, and trimming it down to create a tighter animation. Move along to the final scene where we have the 2 red lines. Press T on your keyboard and type out a title of your choice. In this case, it's America. I've selected the Special Elite typewriter font for this section and given it a typewriter animation. Duplicate the page and delete the background video. You can also remove the animation from the main title. Add a subtitle here The font I've used is Major Mono Display, which I think looks pretty cool. From there, I found an image of the Statue of Liberty, along with some stars and stripes to keep the American theme, and added some basic animations to them. To find out how I added the sound design and music, click on this video here. And don't forget, if you want the editable template for this country, America, and its title reveal, you can download it from my Patreon. Until next time.